and I'm going to be cooking from Lisa Thomas's book, Dirty Dining. I'm making orange pork, so I'll videotape this a little bit and kind of show what the finished product looks like. But right now I'm starting prep. I got some vegetables I gotta peel and cut up and make a sauce, and then I'm gonna fry up some pork and see what we get. All right, cutting up some carrots, onions, got some dates there ready to go. That's the recipe. Orange pork. Got to peel a potato here in a minute and start making the sauce for this thing. I got some fresh rosemary. It's going to go in there. There's my potato. The dates are going to go in there. I got a couple oranges of stray lime. I got to find my oranges and my vegetable peeler. All right, be back. Got that mixture ready to go. Got that. Potatoes, carrots. Pork is cooking, browning up nice. I'm gonna put the rosemary in a minute. All right, man, it is cooking. The only thing that's left to do is cook it until the potatoes are cooked, and then add the lime juice. Man, this smells really good. This is Lisa Thomas's orange pork, and then people are coming in. This is from the Dirty Dining Cookbook, which is right there. Kind of made a mess around my campground here. I spilled some of the juice from the oranges, so it's not going to be super orangey. And the last thing to do is cut that lime and add the juice of the lime once the potatoes are cooked. So keep them cooking here and we'll see when it's done. It looks really good. So let's do a taste test.